Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this flavorful cast iron ribeye steak. It's going to be seasoned with a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning and a little bit of ground coffee. Add a little bit of olive oil on each side of your steak and apply seasoning. Rub it in nice and slow. Once each side is fully seasoned, you just want to let it sit for about 5 minutes, so that, it could marinate. Alright guys, so at this point you want to add some oil to your cast iron skillet and sear your steak for about 3 minutes on each side. Then you want to add your herbs, your thyme, garlic, rosemary, and 2 tablespoons of butter, salted butter. So after the butter is fully melted, then you want to start basting your steak. Then we're going to add some white rum, light it up, and flambé it up, let it burn. After that, you want to remove the steak from the skillet and let it rest for about 2 minutes before you cut right into it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm in